What's up, guys? If you're here, let me know if you got the notification. Also, be sure and go ahead and follow me on Instagram if you haven't. We're gonna do some resume reviews. I got about an hour. I gotta hop off. I have a one-on-one. Got a consultation. But anyways, hope you guys are doing swell. I should probably put where you need to submit it. What up, yes? Just sending a text real quick. What up, live streamer Zane? Hey, is HR lady with you? She's working. She might come in. This is it, boys. Catch you in the next live. Ulysses, feel free to submit. Nope, that's the wrong one. Actually, I guess I'll just change the text. Hold. There we go. Now you can send them there. Finally made it to a live stream. What's up, man? There's like dog hair all over my face. TechnoJ, what's up? Victor, what's up? Been super hype. 2 days ago was so exciting. Yeah, it was pretty chill. Finally arrive at the start of a live stream. That's true, Tech. It's true. How much does that number cost per minute? That's a Google Voice, so it's free. I'm gonna turn this light on in the background. I feel like there's not. One moment. What up? Okay, so if you'd like it to be reviewed, my pencil handy. I got my notepad here, handy. Grinder eel, represent. Sweet. What up, Ibrahim? Let's open up the email and see what we got. I got nobody. Nobody's sending anything so far. Someone sent me an app question. Just so that you can get an idea of this app idea. Nope. See, like, literally everybody's just like, hey, I've got a great app idea. Do you want to be my CTO? So you mean you want to just like use my brand, right? Oh, now they're coming in. Who we going? Let's go with Phil. What is this? Is this a freelance website? I don't know if you're gonna apply to jobs with this. Also, I don't know why you have a search. Nobody's gonna know what to search. I know you can't see it yet. Are you gonna show them? Yeah, I'm gonna show them. Hold. Please hold. Am I gonna dox? No, I'm not gonna dox anything. All right, away we go. So this is Phil's portfolio. Paper resumes or websites? PDFs and websites. This is Phil's portfolio. Hello, thanks for checking out my portfolio. You don't need any of this. You just need to link directly to this. Recipe Finder web app. There's the GitHub. There's the GitHub. Does this take me to the website? Sweet, that works. I'd make this a little bit more clear cut and say link to website here or demo here. Right now, they just kind of look like titles since they match the color of the check mark. Take your picture off. Get to know me. Leave that for your cover letter. Don't put this on your portfolio. They'll get to know you on a cover letter. Yeah, this is all cover letter stuff. If they want your picture, they can go to LinkedIn. All you need is this. Like, delete the rest of this website except for this. That's it. That's all that matters. Maybe have a link to your resume on here. I don't know why you have a search bar. Not sure. Yeah, so you have links and they just take me. A blog. Yeah, in my opinion, just delete everything else. Delete all this about me stuff. Delete all of it. All you need is the projects, and you need links to the demo and links to the GitHub, and maybe just a contact, which is what you have here. So that works. link to LinkedIn, GitHub. I guess that's email you. When I'm not busy changing the world. Where's HR lady? She's working. She has to work. Go look at my if you want proof of what HR lady does for work, go look at my Instagram story. She's on like a meeting talking about talent acquisition, some BS. It takes me back to like it's motivation of where I'll be back if I don't hustle. Yeah, but seriously, just this is all you need. And maybe this, just like Philip Lindley's portfolio, and then just have this, and that's it. Nice and simple. Your HR person that gets this, that looks at it initially, is not going to click around. You get like 5 seconds, honestly. But the apps are good. The links are good. Make it a little bit more clear cut what you need to do. You got a little description there, and that's good. Yeah. Why does everyone call her HR lady? Because we don't want to dox HR lady. So she is HR lady. Hold on. I gotta close my door in case she says some company name or something so you guys don't dox. All right. Let's go back. Let's look at another one here. I only got an hour, so I'm going to try to do it fairly quick. New setup looking good. Try and roast my resume. Oh, you even like made everything anonymous. Yeah, sure. Yeah, let's roast. Where do I send it? It's like right there. All right. Here we go. Here's the resume. We got John Smith. He's a mobile dev. This is where your GitHub would be. This is also where you put your summary and your LinkedIn. Right now you're missing a LinkedIn. So you need to put that up here in this upper section. Like put like, hello, my name is app developer, or hello, my name is John and I'm passionate about mobile applications. Skills. Yeah, these are good at the top where they should be. However, they don't. Okay, so I get what you're doing. You're like organizing them here, but also it's hard to see that they're organized because bullet points don't mean organization. Bullet points are bullet points under something that's been organized. So you'd have like payment integrations, and then under that you would have bullet points. It's like you should do columns here, in my opinion. It's much easier to read, or just like number them maybe, because they're separate skills. No education, that's fine. If you don't have education, you want to load it up with experience and projects. If you have any personal projects, that'd be good, but I don't see any on here. Clearly you had personal projects probably to get these jobs. And then you link to all the apps. I think that's fine. Yeah, let's go back. Let me go back over here. What's the absolute worst portfolio you've seen and what made it so bad? It was animations. Like you couldn't navigate it without waiting for animations to load. Don't add animations. Don't add about me pages. Don't add who I am. Don't add pictures of your personal life. Don't add pictures of you and your family, because then they know you have a family and they're going to discriminate because you have kids and you probably can't work overtime if they need you to work over. Like, stop giving them, just give them the portfolio, just literally your projects with a link to the host and a link to the code. That's it. That's all you need. Do I need to link my LinkedIn? I need to... I don't use it. I have nothing on there. Yeah, unfortunately, a lot of employers want to see a LinkedIn. I don't know why. Have a good day. You too. Love what you do. Keep up the good work. Hey, thanks, man. Is today real advice or just roasting? It's both. The email and the video, bruh. So, it's a fake email. You heard what happened to Recful? No. What What happened to Recful? Bro, you're on Twitch? I can't stream like at the same time now because I have affiliate on Twitch, so you can't do duo stream. I had LinkedIn, but removed it when you said that it's for unemployed people. I'm just saying, like, the only people that use LinkedIn are for people that are looking for a job and recruiters. People that have jobs aren't on LinkedIn. People that have jobs and are satisfied with their job aren't on LinkedIn. Nobody goes on like, oh, I wonder what's in my LinkedIn feed today. You know, oh, wow, there's some news about sloped toilets because it keeps the employees from sitting on the toilet using social media too long. Like, what up, Gino? Can you lie about having children then? You're not supposed to tell them if you do or do not have children then. They're not supposed to ever know. If they ask you if you have children, you can sue them. You could, like, you won't get the job, right? But you might make some cash. Please do more videos on India. Yeah, dude, I got another one coming tomorrow. It's going to be for paid internships. All right, let's look at it. Let's look at another one. If you have your phone number on here, take it off and resend it to me. What is this? Why are you doing this? I don't understand. Here, look. Look at this. Why? This image is pixelated, by the way. What's going on here? Why don't you just link them to your work? Hi, want to see my work? Yes, that's why we came to your page. Don't make me navigate. You gotta think simple. HR people are simple. Your starter kits are expensive. They're not starter kits. They're also not expensive. They're actually... Sloped toilets? Yeah, there's actually an article on LinkedIn about sloped toilets. They're angled like this, so after you sit there for longer than about 5 or 6 minutes, your knees and legs start to get fatigued, so you can't sit on the toilet. That's how much companies... Yeah, that's a real thing. Go look it up. Sloped toilets. I made a video about it. Alright. I had my OBS over here, so I had to move it real quick. We'll go back to it. Alright, so this is an example of what not to do. Look. Stop with the animations. Stop. Don't do this. Because nobody has time for this. Like, it's cool the first time, and then they just want to navigate to where they want to go. Scroll. Like, stop. Stop making them do things. What does this mean? What is this level? What does intermediate JavaScript mean? Okay, so this is, yeah. As you can see here, don't put skill bars, okay? Like advanced HTML and CSS. Why isn't this all the way up? Like it takes a day. It takes a day to learn HTML and CSS. What are you doing? How do you have better? Okay. Git intermediate. Why would you ever say that? You're only 50% with Git. Nobody's gonna hire you with 50% with Git. You can learn Git in 10 minutes. I have a course on it. It's free. You can go find it. Responsive web development. Why isn't this all the way? Like you're dinging yourself. You're shooting yourself in the foot here. Like, let them decide if you're good enough based on the code test results. Let them decide based on the portfolio. Don't say, hey, I'm only 50% with Git. Hey, I know you're looking for an expert JavaScript code ninja, and I think I could do your job, but just want to let you know I'm only 75% JavaScript. Does that make sense? What if I said, I'm only 50% MySQL. I'm 50% PHP. What does that mean? Nobody knows what this means. I'm meeting a girl from Tinder for the 3rd time today. I like hearing your opinion, so what's your advice? If you don't smash after the 4th time, peace out. Okay. Let's continue on, I guess. Like, just don't let them let them judge your skill level based on what they need. You don't get to judge your own skill level ever. That's why titles don't matter. Like someone says, how many years do you need for a junior dev? I mean, it doesn't matter. It's relative to what you can do for that particular company. And some companies just give you a title just so that they can pay you less money. You seen these 5-year junior developer things? Yeah, no, bro. This is a meme. Let them decide. But also, you know, maintain value. All right, hold on. I'm going to click on this portfolio, but I don't want to docs. Oh, God. Thank you for sending it in. I hope this is helpful. I know that I'm kind of blunt and to the point, but I want you to be successful. How to build a personal brand. Consistency, add value to something that you're passionate about. Well, that's not necessarily true. Add value to something that the market wants, and hopefully it's something you're passionate about. Let me go back. I'm going to show you some more loading stuff. Also, take your picture off. If they want to see what you look like, they can just go to your LinkedIn over here. All right. So, look, let's click portfolio, and you guys can watch with me. Are you ready? Why? Why is this needed? This should be where you take them directly by default. Why did I have to? How many clicks is this? All right, so we land here. Stage 1, we go to the portfolio. All right, we have to click one time. And then you immediately say to scroll, so they're probably going to scroll. Oh, and then they see this on the right, so they're going to click portfolio. So that's 3 actions. Now they're waiting for your portfolio to load. Check live project. The skills on the side. Yeah, it's too much input. How to bypass recruiters? Yeah, you got to find out who they're hiring for and get the number for who they're hiring for and call them directly. They don't want to do that though, because then they won't get paid. Check live project. How come I can't see the code? You need another button for code, otherwise it'd be good. My headset just disconnect. Hold. Huh, my headset just turned off. Interesting. I don't think it was dying or anything. Alright, whatever. Let's go back. How long do you plan to stream? I'll be live for another 40 minutes, and I have a one-on-one. I have a consultation. You have a lot of projects though, so that's good. There's WordPress, JavaScript. Yeah, you should just link directly to this page, and then you're missing a button. Site performance. What? Oh, this doesn't. What? So these are JavaScript projects. These are site performance projects. These are Git projects. Why aren't all of these projects with Git? I don't. What? That's not good. Photoshop. What does that mean? What do these mean? Take this away. What does any of this mean? If we have a resume to review, do we donate? You could donate if you want to the channel, sports channel, but like I'm doing it for free. I know it says it up there in the corner, but for today's stream, just like ignore it. If I get to you, I'll get to you. But you could take all the tips and apply to yours, I think. Okay. All right, let's do another one. Super awesome resume with no personal info. Looks good. Yeah, sure. Let's tear it apart. Get the pen ready for this one here. It's gonna have your name. You can kind of see it in the background, but whatever. That's not enough. Your voice is on time, but the video is late. It's because I'm using a DSLR to stream. That's why I look so crispy. What up, Sanchit? Can I share my portfolio with the resume? Yeah, sure. All right, let's dive in. Ready to roast. GPA, yeah, you can keep it on if you want, but it's not really needed. Only some companies think it matters. But this doesn't mean you can make the company money. It just means that you have a good GPA. Another GPA there. Wait. Pursuing BS in computer science. Is this an associate's degree? We don't know. Technical skills. Also, put your education down here at the bottom. What's more important is what you can do for the company, and that is the skills. Tech, Windows, Linux, Django. Wait, programming languages. Why would you don't get to put ASP.NET in tech? Put that in frameworks. Visual Studios? Like, you mean Visual Studio Code and Visual Studio Enterprise or Community Edition? What does that mean? Qualifications: team leader, time management, problem solving. Team leader, prove it. Prove it, please. Time management, that's expected. That's not a problem solving. That's literally why you get paid. You don't get to. That's expected. Data structures and algorithms. Linear algebra could work. Calculus calculator. But I can't see it, so it doesn't exist. Bug tracker. I can't click on it, so it doesn't exist. Same thing for all of these. If I can't see it, it doesn't exist. If you don't have a way for me to see it and play with it, it doesn't exist. If you can't host it, you need to take a video of you using it with timestamps. You have your GitHub up here, but I need a link to the code. Link to the code. Link to the code. Activities, computer security group member. Take this off, bro. You're 18 years old in 2017. So I know how old you are right now. So that's not good. I can discriminate. You're young. You're a young guy. I'm not gonna hire you, or I'm gonna pay you no money because you're a young guy. Don't take that off. Don't let them know how old you are. Are you streaming on Twitch? Not right now. If this is valuable to you, maybe hit thumbs up. A shout out to all my alt tabbers and second monitors. If I'm on your second monitor, I appreciate you. If I'm on your TV, I appreciate you. Am I missing anything? Y'all see anything here? I don't see anything major. Like the verbiage here, the verbiage: designed, a program, implemented. Like, these are all action verbs. That's good. That's good. Developed a script. That's good. Also, you're missing a summary and LinkedIn. So the way I like to do my links is I put one here, so that can be your GitHub, and this could be your LinkedIn, and that could be your portfolio website or whatever. And then you need like a little summary down here, so, right? So say John Doe email, and then like summary would be like right here, right? My name is John. I do computer science stuff. I'm good, Shorty. How are you? Second monitor gang, what up? Don't we have laws against discrimination? Absolutely, we have laws against discrimination. But here's the fun fact. You'll never know why they didn't hire you. They'll just give you a copy-pasted regrets email. That's literally what HR calls those emails. They have like a whole bunch of templates on file, and they basically just say, all right, we're going to send, let's send him, we've picked another candidate. Let's send him, you're not a fit. Let's send him, like, they have these regrets emails. They're never going to say, yeah, you're too young. They're like, you're not going to be there for the conversation. Behind the walls, behind the closed doors, like, they could be like, yeah, this dude's old, like, I don't want to hire him. Like, yeah, that's illegal, right? But they're not going to tell you that. You'll never be there for it. It's kind of stupid. It's really hard to prove. All right, let's do another one. Just don't say, Alexa, search Riley Reid. Play first results. Volume up. Alexa, full screen. You're welcome, chat. Hey, Google. I'm just kidding. All right, let's do another one. Any tips for registering a trademark and domain when the name's already taken? Just use. Well, I've never registered a trademark. I would just do .io or .me, something like that. You don't have to have the .com. Can you review mine next? The Paul? Yeah, sure. Let's look at it. Let's take a gander here. Everyone turns off their Alexa. What up, HR lady? Paul, you have your phone number on here, fam. Thanks for the advice. I hope it helps, man. Like, take off stuff that's like I can tell your age. Hold on, I gotta blur your stuff, Paul. You're missing a summary, by the way. You don't have any bullet points. HR violates the dress code. Yeah, I believe that's a dress code violation.
Mm-hmm. At home, at work. I just wear leggings to work every day. Like that.
All right, let's jump on in here. I'm not anything I'm gonna dox. No, but let me make sure. All right. Here you go. Here you go, Paul. I'm a freelance developer, but you don't even say what you do. There are 0 bullet points on what you're doing for freelance. You don't even link a project that you've made. You don't even say what technologies you work with on any of these projects. Magna Auto Systems, you don't say anything about what you did. Where are the bullet points? What'd you do? So you worked at Magna Auto Systems. What did you do? What? You worked here. What did you do? What were you responsible for? Also, you're going to get popped real hard for working 2 jobs at once. That's going to look real bad, man. That's going to look mega bad. That's going to look big oof, as they say. Right here, you have present. Right here, you also have present. You're going to apply to a job, and they're going to be like, hey, so if you're a freelance developer, that means you're working on projects, right? And you're getting paid. Why are you looking for another job? Why, like, you already have 2 jobs. Why are you looking for another job? Oh, you're probably not getting paid with freelance, are you? So you're just trying to say that you're actually an unemployed developer trying to make a career transition from customer relations. They're not stupid. They're going to see through it. They're going to be able to read that. Take this, just, it's not going to work. People try to do this. They're like, I'm freelance, but he's like, you're just making personal projects. That's not freelance developer when you sit and make personal projects. One second. Okay. We're back. Here's another thing that you can't say. I'm a hard worker and love learning new technologies. I'm a hard worker doesn't give you any kudos. It doesn't matter. Like, you're expected to be a hard worker. Below are some of the technologies I'm proficient with. Why wouldn't you list all of the technologies you're proficient with? Like, what does that even mean? Here's some stuff that I'm good at. Let me know if you're interested. Ethereum crypto tracker. Don't put a link here. Oh, crypto ticker. Sorry. Just make this a link. Make this clickable, or just put a link that says link, like right there. Same thing for this. Same thing for this. Same thing for this, and this, and this. I've been developing my own personal website using the LAMP stack. Okay. Yeah, I could really remove some of, as that's what I work with. Yeah, so honestly, we need to know what you're doing here. We don't know any about, like, we don't know anything about your job history. Like, how do we know if you're a good fit for this job if you, like, can't even link what you've worked on? Like, you haven't linked any of the personal projects that you've got paid to do, or they wouldn't be personal. They'd be freelance projects if you've been paid to do them, right? How come we can't see that? Like, I'm a freelance developer, but you can't see anything that I've worked on. I promise you, I'm actually employed and getting paid to do stuff. Please hire me. Wait, that doesn't make any sense, because that's what this says right now. This makes no sense. It probably means that you're not a very good freelance developer if you're looking for a job and you have a job, right? So don't lie. Honestly, that's not what I would say. Go ahead and lie. But like in this case, you're calling yourself out. You gotta, you know what I mean? Why do you have this big blank space here? What is this? Like, why don't you just organize these, like, to be like to front end section, and then you have the back end section, and then you have other. Also, where's version control on here? You don't have version control? Where's your Git? Also, put your skills at the top, and work experience goes below the projects. In this case, since you're looking for a job, if you already have a dev job, put your work experience. That counts for more. If you don't have a dev job and you're looking for one, put your projects up front, and then your experience that's unrelated below that, like retail, fast food, doctor, lawyer, whatever. Someone that doesn't have a developing background, Maria Fernanda Cruz. Yeah, so let me refresh this for you. One moment, please. Is there a way to clear this? How come there's just no giant eraser button? Erase all ink. Okay, cool. You can't see it. I'm gonna bring it back. Just give me a sec. All right, so if you're a new developer and you're looking for a job, never had a job before, this is what you need to do right here. I'm not gonna dox. Okay, I'm not gonna dox. My first donation ever is for you, Dom. Thanks, man. You didn't have to do that. I appreciate you. You're always here. All right, this is what you need to do. Your projects go here. Your skills go here. Your work experience that's unrelated goes here. So in this order: skills, projects, and your experience, like this. And then if you have any unrelated education, that will go right there. That's what you do. Should I go to university? If you want to be like a civil engineer or rocket scientist, absolutely. If you want to be a web developer specifically doing React or something, no. Want to be a fast food lawyer? Probably get paid in burgers. Be pretty good. Bro, my headset keeps turning off. I don't know why. Might need to get a new one. Okay, let's go back. Let's get a new one. Thanks for the donation, Paul. Hope it helps. He said a lot of room for roasting. True. Scott K sends me his portfolio. Perfect. Just perfect, bro. No. Well, that's okay, I guess. Alright. Yeah, we'll look at it. One minute, please. Alright. We got Scott here. This is his portfolio. Can we put small image and resume? No, take him out. Honestly, So Scott, you have some of these in here that like can't be shown as hosted projects. So you have a video when I click on them. Like I clicked on the algorithm one here. Project inspiration and overview, general algorithm. That's good. And then you have a demonstration. The one thing that you're missing is timestamps. Like put bullet points that are timestamps where I can see what you're showing. Bandicam. What, is this 2006? You can record with OBS for free. This is actually pretty dope though. There's no sound. We have sound up. So I implemented sliders. You should say, in this specific scenario, I'm using this slider. But other than that, this is how you do it if you have projects that you can't host, like back-end projects. This is great. This is good work. Good work, Scott. Computer science. Nobody's going to read this. I tell you that right now. You need to give us a way to play with this. Nobody's going to read this. Are you guys going to read this? Chat, are you going to read this?
No.
HR is not even going to know what this means, bro.
No. That means nothing.
You're not going to read that? What does this mean? I have an engineering degree and I'm struggling.
Yeah, that won't help anything.
This might be for the CTO, but like...
No.
Distributed systems. Tools used. C# codebase, ASP.NET. How come we can't see it? Where's that hosted? We need to find it. I would read it. No, you wouldn't. Why you lie? Give a project overview, but we can't see it. It's C#. It's a web app. ASP.NET. Web app. Web API. Why can't we see this? You're teasing us. We can't even see the code. Where's the GitHub link? Like, as far as I'm concerned, this is just a paragraph about something that doesn't exist. Can we get a picture? Nobody's gonna read this. Like, this would be like 3 stages into the interview when your CTO would sit down with you. So you had a video for the one that I clicked on, but not for the rest? Bruh. How it operates. This project's underway. So this is just like, hey, I'm working on this project, but oh, by the way, you can't, I'm not gonna tell you anything. So many flowcharts. Machine vision. We can't see it? Okay, cool. Look at this. This is how you do it right here. I'm ready. I'm ready. So you're upping a slider. I don't know what you're doing. See, that's the thing. Like, me and the rest of the chat, we don't know what you're doing. I see some stuff sliding, but there's no audio.
What does that mean?
Nothing happened. You just took a video of you sliding sliders. We still don't know what happened.
HR's not gonna look at this. I won't even know what that is.
Shape detection. More sliding sliders. Oh, there it goes. That's cool, I guess. Definitely got skills. I think you just need to showcase them so that it looks like it's understanding. Like I know what you're doing.
I don't.
What should an app portfolio consist of? Applications like full applications or applications that show off impressive solutions to challenges. Whatever you want. Just make sure it's easy to see and easy to read and easy to look at. More flowcharts. Like, I get what you're doing. It's very well thought out, but like, you're only gonna get like 5 seconds with these people. So, I'd pick your best ones. Oh, now, wait. So now we have a YouTube video. There's no audio. There's still no audio. I can't really read what you're doing there. Oh, Michael Reeves is out. Oh no, wait, that's offline TV. Michael Reeves posts videos like once every month. Thank you for the 40 rupees. I think that's what those are. I got 20 minutes left. So let me go back to the old email real quick. No. No. So this is the guy that helped submit submissions for the video yesterday about the $39 an hour job in India. This is his resume. So he helped with the vid, so I'll do this. Give me a sec though. Blur some info. All right, so your education, I know it's like really important in India, so I still think that you should put it at the bottom because your project should speak for you, not your education. Educations don't mean that you can, like, it doesn't mean you can do job stuff. Like, we all graduate, we get our degrees, and we're like, now what? Well, if your degree was useful, you'd be like, oh, I know exactly what to do, but you don't. So, put your education at the bottom. It's up to you, though. Internships. Take the shit off. Don't stop labeling yourselves as interns. Just put work history, bro.
Web developer.
Work history. Don't put intern. Why would you put intern? Work history. You worked a job? What's work history? Intern is just a part-time job. That's it. And when you let me tell you a story about what happened real quick. Some dude he messaged me on Instagram yesterday at the gym, and he said, "Hey Josh, I had 3 years worth of internship experience. They were paying me $28 an hour, and now I'm looking for a job, and the job offer I got was $25 an hour." It's because you put intern on your resume. They're gonna lowball you. They're gonna think that you don't know what you're worth. They wouldn't even match what he was making. Like $25 an hour is bare minimum what you would take in the United States to be a software engineer. Like bare minimum with zero experience, $25 an hour. And this guy had 3 years experience at $28 an hour. Just no, it's because you put intern on your resume. They're gonna lowball you. All right, let's go back. It's like it happens. It's a real thing. All right, simple Discord bot. That's cool and all, but like, can I see it in use? Do you have a video somewhere? Title updater. I need a video. No one's gonna look. I mean, your GitHubs are okay, but people generally aren't gonna look at this stuff. But what if you only have intern experience? Internships are just part-time jobs with a title to pay you less money, bro. That's it. Internships typically mean that you're doing a job that's related to the degree that you're getting, but it doesn't mean you're of less. It doesn't mean you're a lesser person. Like the job skills, like bro, look at the internships for the jobs that were posted yesterday on that Internshallah website. You're not an intern if you can do any of that. If you can make an entire Google Keep app, you're not an intern, dude. All right, let me scroll down some. Look at all these projects, bro. Like you have value. You have too many projects, honestly. You have so many. You should just pick like your top 3. Or the ones that, like the 3 best ones that relate to the job that you want to apply to. Here, look, I'll show you guys. Look at this. Look at all these. Look at all these projects. There's too many. Pick your best 3 that best relate to the job you want to apply to. Do you have skills separated on a separate page? Oh no. Don't rate yourself. Stop rating yourself. Why are you doing this? No. It makes me upset. What, like PHP advanced? So you know everything in PHP right now. You're telling me that you're an advanced PHP developer. You've been developing this, and you know the ins and outs of everything PHP. HTML advanced. I don't know what else you would be with HTML. Honestly, how are you not? Bootstrap intermediate. Why would you say that? What like maybe intermediate bootstrap to someone means that you can only make certain media queries, or you don't even know what media queries are. I don't even know what that means. Nobody knows what beginner, like why, bro, how you beginner jQuery? It's just dollar signs and using CSS to move stuff around. It's easy peasy. Associate's degree isn't very useful. Yeah. How are we supposed to get summer jobs during college without getting an internship? Do we just not label ourselves an intern on the resume? Yeah, you never put intern on your resume. Never put that in your title. Ever. Just put part-time developer. That's it. It's the same thing anyways. Just put Microsoft Advanced. PhD in HTML. I don't know what else you would have, honestly. MongoDB beginner. Don't put that. React Native beginner. Why would you ever put dude, just put this on there, and when they give you a code test, let them decide what you're worth, bro. Stop. You're literally saying, "Hey, I'm a beginner at jQuery, so if we're using JavaScript, I should be good, but if you ever need jQuery, I'm a beginner, so you should like not count on me for that." Like that's what this reads like. Josh, so triggered. I'm mega triggered. Stop rating yourselves. You're gonna get paid no money, and then you're gonna get upset about how much you get paid, and you're gonna be like, look, I get paid no money. You should see how bad it is. And it's because you do this to yourself. You gotta hold your value. Expert in snippet tool. PhD in screenshots. Print screen. Alt print screen. In India, HRs ask you to rate yourself. Well, then you better rate yourself as advanced in everything on your resume. Because that's stupid. That's so dumb. If you're submitting your resume, let's talk about this. If you're submitting your resume to a recruiter, then you can rate yourself so the recruiter has an idea of what jobs to apply you for and what jobs to not apply you for. So like if the guy's like, do you know JavaScript? And you're like, no, I just work with PHP mainly. Then he's not going to apply you for JavaScript jobs if you don't want them. Like that's, you rate yourself if you're given a range of jobs that you think would be a better fit based on what you can do. But like if you're applying to a job directly, don't do that. Just say you can do all of it. Here's another thing. Your GitHub profile is way down here, but you just linked me a bunch of projects with your GitHub on it, so it's kind of redundant. Google Guru. Masters in Stack Overflow. That's true. That's probably the truest thing I've read. How to get a job in the US living outside the US? Most jobs require a visa to work there. And if you live outside the US and you work for a company in the US, you're a contractor. If you want to live here, you need a bachelor's degree to get the H-1B visa. Or you can get an E-2 visa, which is like an investor entrepreneur visa, but you need $1 million and you have to create at least 10 jobs for Americans. So it's easy, right? Just that's all you gotta do. Why does this keep turning off? Did it not charge? I think that's it. What?
You need a light?
No, we're good. All right, let's go to the next one. I put intern on my resume. Review it, please.
No.
But you should know better than that.
Why not?
Skills proficient. Done. Software developer, software. Actually, it's actually pretty experienced developer, so I think this is decent. You just need to organize your skills better. All right, yeah, I'll show you guys. I have a YouTube channel, but I don't know if I could put it on a resume. I wouldn't. I would not do that unless it's just strictly you teaching what you know.
Even then.
Yeah. All right. Take a gander at this. I got 8 minutes left before I got to bounce. Skills. Proficient. What does that mean? Familiar. What does that mean? I have no idea what any of this means. Software developer. Schools. So in 2016, you were 18 years old. Take this shit off. Stop letting people know how old you are. You're going to get discriminated against. You got projects. Got a link to it. That's good. Can I see the hosted version? You have a cash sheet application. And there's a link to the hosted version. That's good. But I also need a link to the code. So you got half of it there. Give me that other link. School website. That's cool. Can I see the actual website? You should include the website. You got a link. That's good. Can I see the code? Let's read some of these descriptions. Develop the front end using Angular 6. It'd be cool. Yeah, so this is a good bullet point right here. Personalized push notifications to users which increased user engagement by 33%. That's dope. That's what you need to make all these like. Is it better to write assistant instead of intern? No, bro, just put part-time job plus the title. That's it. Don't even put part-time. Yeah, assistant is worse than intern. Just put part-time software developer. That's it. Stop putting assistant. Stop putting junior. I don't ever even put junior developer. The only thing I'd put on my resume is senior. That's it. Because junior makes you look bad.
Level doesn't matter.
Yeah, level doesn't matter.
It's not confirmable.
Yeah, that's true.
Job title only, not your level.
True. Free code camp expert. Have you dumped your girlfriend since she's not with you? Spammed twice. Can you? She's talking from the background. Can you hear? Copy paste master. Yep. What up, Brandon? This dude is like obsessed. I think it's fine. Otherwise, it's fine. I think I would organize these a little bit. Like, it's hard to read left to right a bunch of comma-separated values. Like, just make this organized, right? Just have front end, back end, other. How to get contractor jobs in the U.S. when you live outside the U.S. Chad, you apply to contract jobs and ask to be a W-8. All right. We got, like, time for, like, one more, maybe. If you're here and you're getting value out of this, maybe leave a thumbs up. Thanks for being here. Shout out to Alt Tab Gang, Second Monitor Gang, TV Gang. Shout out to the people that are at work right now that put me on the background. Appreciate you. On the toilet, on the phone, gang. I think I covered my bases pretty good there. What is this? Oh, you Rick rolled me. Ha ha ha. Ha ha. Nice try. I have my resume on my portfolio. Can you check it out, please? And then he links me to the Rickroll. Good one. Dom sends his in. Yeah, this is fine. Make sure you don't have anything doxable on here. Check my portfolio for other information that isn't linkable. This is actually super simple. Yeah. Let me blur out like your first name, but other than that, it's good. Phone gang, yeah, cool. We got 4 minutes left. Yeah, am I missing anything? All right, so here's one. This is actually a really good one, so I'll leave you guys on a good one. Most recent projects. That links to it. It'd be cool if you link to the code, but I get it. And then toolkit, it'd be cool if you link to the code. I checked all these. These are all actual links. I can't, it's in drawing mode right now, so I can't click, but also this is a clickable link down here for portfolio, so that's good. You have your LinkedIn, or that's ID, I don't know what that is. You got GitHub, portfolio there. Engineering tested and documented applications to promote fair data principles. That's good. See, this is what I mean when I say like organize your skills. Put them in columns like this. Super easy. Otherwise, I think it's good. Pretty solid. Sierra, what's up? Welcome. Thanks for being here. I recommend adding projects to a resume that are hosted but are hosted on a specific platform and hard to access. Yeah, so you make a video of using your application if it's hard to host with timestamps. This is a good one. This is actually a solid resume. Super simple, easy. I would add some outcomes on your bullet points though, Dom. Like provided web designers with ready-to-use Vue.js components, like increasing project efficiency by 20% or something like that. You know what I mean? Developed a suite of tools to help implement these new concepts. Like what, but how did that improve? What was the outcome? So add some outcomes, but other than that, I think it's solid. This is a solid resume. Super simple, one page, links for everything. Fine, this is fine. But thank you so much. I think that's it. Take a good look at this. Congratulations. Good work. Solid resume, Dom. Appreciate you. Thanks for sending it in. I guess that's it for today. I have a consultation I have to do. So that's it for today. We'll be back in maybe a week or so doing some more of these. And then another day I'll be... No, not tomorrow. The day after tomorrow I'll be live again. What was that? Saturday? Yeah, Saturday. Josh, can we see your resume? Yeah, you can purchase it down below. It supports the channel. It's a template you can download. I have a whole bunch. It's grindreel.com right there. And then if you want to know how to open your business, I just launched that one as well. Thanks so much. I think we'll get to it. And again, I guess that's it. So yeah, I have a consultation I have to go to. So I'll be brand building, and I'll see you guys on Saturday. Tomorrow will probably be paid internships or something. We'll see. But I gotta go. Here's some Keanu's for you guys. Thanks for being here. I'm out.